This AI tool can easily convert your ideas into stunning storybooks. Not only that, but you can also convert your ideas into animated children's stories. These children's storybooks are one of the best ways to make passive income on Etsy and Amazon KDP. And if you check these sellers, they are doing great in sales. And the other thing is, at the same time, you can create a YouTube channel like this for kids' stories. And trust me, they are getting millions of views. So it's a win-win situation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create kids' storybooks and videos using this AI tool called ReadKids. First, go to the link in the description and sign up for the website. After that, you'll see this dashboard. As we can see, we have the latest model, which is PictureBook 2.1. First, let me show you how to make a storybook. We need to select this first story option. And if you have a story, you can paste it here. But if you have just an idea, you can use this AI feature to generate the story and the character. So I'm going to add the idea I have here. Now, we need to add some details. First, let's set the audience's age to 7 to 9 years. And as you can see here, we can select a genre for our story out of these. Honestly, I don't really know the genre of this idea. Therefore, I'm going to let the AI decide it. And let's set the perspective of the story as third persons. And another good thing about this AI is that not only English, we can create storybooks for a lot of languages. And let's set the book size as portrait. And finally, let's set this story as a chronological narrative. Once everything is set, I'm going to click this Generate button. It's going to take around 20 seconds. And as you can see here, I have a complete story for my idea. Now, if I don't like this idea, I can regenerate it. But I like how this story goes. Therefore, let's proceed to the next step. Here we have a lot of art styles that we can use for the storybook. And it's so many, I can't even decide which style is going to work. For now, let's go with this one. I think this style looks cool. It's going to take around a minute to build a preview of the book pages so that we can get a clear idea of how this art style is going to look with this story. Okay, I think this is good. It has this unique vintage vibe, so let's go ahead. This is where we can create all the characters in our story. It seems we have 4 different characters. I'm going to stick with the description this tool has given for these characters, and let's generate them. Okay, these are the 4 characters I generated. Now, you can generate page by page, or you can just generate all the pages at once. For that, go to the next step. And here, you can see the preview of all the pages. I'm going to generate all the pages at once, and it's going to take several minutes to complete. All 22 pages are generated. Now, if you click this prompt option, you can see the prompt that has been used to generate this image. And if you don't like it or you want to change it, you can change it and regenerate. That's easy. With the retouch option, you can edit this image without changing the concept. If you want to add another character or anything else, use this retouch option. For example, I'm going to ask it to make the background less dark. And let's see how it's going to work. See, it's amazing. So just like this, you can easily edit these pages any way you want. Finally, we can also edit the title and the caption of these pages. We have a lot of font options that we can select from, and there are a lot of text styles like these. So make sure to select the styles that match your story, and then you can complete the book. Once everything looks good, you can click this preview option and check the book. It's honestly mind-blowing how quickly you can create an entire children's book with AI. To download it as a PDF, click the settings and choose Download PDF, and your book is complete. Another important feature this tool has is that it has the ability to keep the multiple character consistency throughout the whole book. I have 4 different characters for one of my books, and I have the character descriptions for all 4. So I'm going to select this new model and go to this character creation option. As you can see here, we can add all the characters here. The name of this character is Lilia. You can either upload a reference image you already have, or we can build this character from scratch with this FaceMaker feature. From this side menu, you can select the gender and the age of your character. And here we have a list of faces that we can use. After selecting the faces, we can select a hairstyle. Then we can select the skin tone of the character. And finally, we can add the outfit style and accessories to it. Then you just need to select the art style you prefer. The process is so simple. Now, let's make an animated story. For that, we need to select this option, and we need to describe the story idea with one sentence. My idea is this: the forest where trees could talk. Now, I'm gonna set the language to English and the age between 4 and 6. The theme is going to be adventure. And for perspective, let's go with third person. And the aspect ratio is gonna be 16:9 landscape. It took several seconds, and here is the outline of the story, including dialogues. It looks like a perfect story. Let's go to the next step to select the style for this video. After checking all the styles, I think this modern minimalist style would be cool for this one. Let's select it. Here's the sample storyboard for this video, and it looks amazing. Now, in the next step, we need to generate the character images, but this time, we also need to select suitable AI voices for these characters. I'm gonna select voices one by one. After that, let's generate all the characters at once. These characters are amazing. Now, let's move on to the next step to create the final storyboard with these characters. Now that we have all the shots with the necessary prompt, we can check those and generate the images one by one. It's gonna only take several seconds to generate these images. After the images are completed, the next step is to convert those into videos. This part is also easy. This AI tool has done everything. You just need to approve it by clicking this Generate option for every shot. And here is the final result I got.
In a forest where the trees whisper, only the very still can hear.
Hello, little listener.
Oh, you can talk.
Only to those who are still enough to hear.
I'll go and find him. I just want somewhere right for me.
Every tree knows its spot by how the soil feels under its roots.
Just like this, you can easily create storybooks and story videos with Read Kids AI. You can use the link in the description to sign up and get 1,500 free credits. So with that, today's video has come to an end. I hope this was valuable for you guys. I will see you in the next video.